open this Lunchable and to see my dog loves cheese. So here she comes. Sandy, come! You want some cheese, Sandy? Yeah, you want some cheese? Okay. You love cheese, don't you? You want a piece of cheese? Okay. That's it. You have to give me paw first. Give me paw. Give me paw. Good girl. Good girl. Right? Okay. Good girl. You want some cheese? Yes. Look, she loves this cheese. Look at her. Want some cheese? Ready, girl? Okay. Down. Down, girl. Down. Go down now. Come on, girl. You have to go down. Down, girl. Down. You have to go down first, and then I give you the piece of cheese. Go down. That's a good girl. I love her. That's a good girl. Ready? Good girl. That's a good girl. You're a good girl. You love cheese, don't you? Okay, one more piece. You got it? Wait, not more. One more piece. Some more pieces. Okay? What do you want to do? Speak. Sandy, speak. Speak, Sandy. Speak. Speak for me. Speak. Good girl. Good girl. And here's the last piece of cheese. Here you go. Good girl. That's a good girl. Okay, good girl. That's a good girl. And that's Sandy for you.